Just a quick shot and FLEX SEAL instantly fills cracks and holes. FLEX SEAL colors have the same sealing power as the original. To show you the amazing sealing power of FLEX SEAL, we replaced the bottom of this boat with a screen door and covered it in FLEX SEAL. After a day on the water, not only does it stay afloat, but the inside is completely dry. Hey, thanks for checking us out. To subscribe, click here. And for more videos, click right here. And to speak to a chicken, click here. And learn how to play like the accordion, click right there. I'm kidding about that. But these, I'm serious. Click here. Go ahead, do it.